Welcome to the IPEX LDP-9200 series user guide. These digital phones provide a diverse feature set that fit any business environment. The IPEX LDP-9208D is the entry-level model. The core features of the IPEX LDP-9224D are also covered throughout this guide. All phones have the same base features. The phones have up to 6 key sections: handset, keypad, fixed keys, LCD display, flexible keys, and soft keys. Answer a call by lifting the handset or pressing the speaker button. To make an external call, lift the handset, dial 9 followed by the contact number. For internal calls, lift the handset, then dial the extension number, or press the flexible key assigned to that contact. Your system administrator will assign features to each of your flexible buttons, also known as flex keys. For example, allocating a name to a flex key or one-touch voicemail access. When a line is busy, the flex key assigned to them will illuminate. To transfer a live call, press the transfer button. Then press the recipient's assigned flex key or dial their extension number. To make an announced transfer, call the recipient and announce the call to them before putting down the receiver. To park a call from an external number, press the assigned Park Flex key or press the transfer button. Dial the park code and hang up to return to idle. Park codes or Park Flex keys can be created as part of the system setup. To retrieve a parked call, lift the handset and dial the park code or press the Park Flex key. To access your voicemail, press the assigned flex key or dial the group number. Enter your login. This is your extension number, followed by your PIN number. If you don't know your PIN, speak to your system administrator. Follow the options to listen to and manage your messages. Pressing the speed button twice gives you access to your speed dials, private contacts, public directory, or view station name display. Use the volume up and down or direction arrows on the IPEX LDP-9224D to scroll through saved contacts. Please refer to your key feature guide for how to search for a contact. If you know the assigned speed dial number, you can press the speed key and dial in the number. The speakerphone button lets you hear the speaker's voice through the phone's speakers or handset. Press the hold button to place a call on hold. Press the flashing flex key to retrieve the call. Press the mute button to mute yourself. Volume control buttons adjust the phone's ringtone whilst ringing and caller's volume during calls. They cannot adjust the ringtone while idle, only while ringing. The number of flex buttons varies depending on the model. The IPEX LDP-9208D has 8 flexible buttons. The IPEX LDP-9224D has 24 flexible buttons. The IPEX LDP-9224D has 3 buttons called soft keys. The function of each button changes depending on the phone's status. Pickup groups can be set up to help teams answer calls for each other. Redial. The last number dialed on an external call is automatically saved in the last number redial buffer. The system will store the numbers dialed on the last 15 calls. For more information on using your Ericsson-LG Enterprise IPEX LDP-9200 series, please consult your Key Features Guide or speak to your telecoms provider.